Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2015 Cambria 30T model with 29,400 miles on it. It's a beautiful luxury Class C coach. Come on in, let's take a look at it. Coming in the coach, just got exquisite colors in here, and one of the big things that I like is, again, couch across from the dinette. Very spacious in here. Entertain your friends. One of the things Winnebago does, puts intercoil springs underneath that seat. It's very comfortable to sit in for a good length of time, no problem. You also have the Winnebago Cabinetry, which is very sturdy, very nice. All these cabinets are into metal backing in our steel backing in that sidewall, which makes it the structurally a more sound coach. Coming over here to this side, you do have the microwave, which is also the convection. Features Corian countertops. You have a 3-burner stove top right here, along with all the storage that you would expect in a Winnebago. I'll tell you what, it's all right there. Little L-shaped kitchen. You have the sink that is a stainless steel sink, two sections to it. Beautiful coach. Little extension right here for added extra food if you need to prep. Here you have the refrigerator and freezer, Norcold. Coming back into the bedroom, you have the north-south bed. This is a 3-slide coach, so it opens up the bedroom even more so than what you would expect. And a lot of good lighting in this coach. A lot of good wardrobe area in this coach also. Look at that. This is a great floor plan. High luxury in this. We did pass the bathroom, but I wanted to get over here where I can show it to you. This closes off, and as you can see, you got you can segment this off, and there's your bathroom. And then across the way here, you do have your shower, so that somebody can be in using the toilet when somebody's in here taking a shower. Very convenient. Coming up front, you do have a sunlight right here that opens up. It gives you air, but also gives you that ambient light. Right here, this is pretty cool. You got your entertainment center up here, your TV. It's all right there, takes the place of the bed. Some people don't like the bed over top, and this really facilitates using that space very, very nicely. Also makes a sleeker look on the outside. Up here you have the very soft Winnebago chairs that they make, and you've got your infotainment center up there. You got everything in here. You got the battery boost, you got the at the touch of a button, you got your cruise control, you have heated mirrors. This does have side cameras on it. This is a loaded coach for its time. It was way ahead of its time. Let's go outside and see what's out there on the outside. So the Cambria is a upscale Class C or B+, depending on how you want to look at it. So you're going to have the beautiful finish out here with full body paint. You're going to have an automatic awning, goes out with the touch of a button. Very low to the ground, so you don't need the step that comes out, one less moving part to go bad at any given point. Nice little wardrobe right here. One of the things I really like about this coach is this area back here. It's just cavernous, and you can put anything in there that you could possibly think of. The other thing that I like is this kind of the trunk-like option, if you will, that opens it up from this section also, so a little easier to get stuff in there. You do have the outdoor shower right there, and your fresh water inlet, fresh water valve right there at your command. Down here you have your tow receptacle, your 7-way hitch, so you can take your car with you. Up above is your backup camera, so you can see your tow vehicle, make sure it's still there. Coming over on this side, again, look at the design and just how the style of this coach looks is just beyond compare with all the rest of the coaches out there. You have your connection for plugging into the shore cord. You're going to have your 4,000 watt generator right up here. you're going to have the water heater right here, which is a tankless water heater, I might add. This was a little bit ahead of its time too, in 15. And your main slide out right here. Coming around here, you do have a running board type thing to step up into the coach. It's very nice for people who have a harder time getting into the coach. And then your mirrors right there. I'll tell you what, oh, Alcoa wheels also, kind of an upgrade. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the pre-owned coaches we have on the lot, or the new ones, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson, my number 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen, and I appreciate you for watching. Thank you.